Well, I'm out here in beautiful Black Diamond, Washington, and I got a special one. It's another Westie. What we got here is a 1981 Volkswagen. It says Vanagon, but it's still a Westfalia. And this is, let me turn this around. Wait. Okay, let's start with the walk around. As you can see, it's an 81, and it seems to be in fairly good shape. Yes, you know, there's always a little bit of fading, but then this is like that one that I looked at that needed a lot of work. Look at those aggressive tires. Okay, and let's see, like I said, no major body damage for being over 50 years old. Now, does this have the top that goes up? I'm talking to the owner over here. He doesn't want to be on camera, so I'll have to do that. Okay, but as you can see, the body's in excellent shape. Okay, here's the inside, the passenger side. As you can see, like most Volkswagens, this is a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got map lights up there. Speaking of lights, let me turn mine on. I'm always forgetting stuff. That's what happens when you become a senior citizen. But yeah, it's got the map light. Seats are in good condition. You know, a few little stains, but we're not looking at a brand new van, but we're looking at a classic. And you know, these have a cult following. Well, maybe I shouldn't call it a cult following, but the young man said whenever he stops for gas or something, you better be willing to stop and answer a few people's questions, let them take a tour. Maybe you need to start charging people when they want to look at this. All right, guys, now here is the inside. And as a young man pointed out, there's a little bad spot there, but all this stuff can be replaced. Anything, you get something, look, everything is there. Everything is there. And let's see, now does this have the stove? The one I looked at a while back.
On the right there, it's just a sink in there.
Okay, there's a sink in there. Okay. But you know, you could have your sink here, obviously, and you could put a portable cooktop up there. Ice box. Now, is this actually ice, or does this run off propane or anything?
Just ice box.
You actually put ice in here?
Yeah.
Okay, you could put a couple 6-packs of soda in there.
Be aggressive. Give it a stamp.
You said be aggressive. I looked at this one van a while back, and they had all kind of stuff in there. Okay. Now, your ad said, was the sink hooked up? What's we got here?
Yeah,
Batteries?
I don't have, on the bench seat behind you, I have all the hoses for the seat hookup, and then.
Okay, we just lifted up the seat, and water tank goes in there. There's not one in here, but that's where we go. Okay. Like I said, this is almost like some that we look at. They need a little work, but you could. Now, you said you just rebuilt the engine in here?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, all you'd have to do is give this a good cleaning and roll out. Okay, I'm gonna step aside and let him open up the top. Maybe we can look at that. Okay, he put. Okay, look, he just put the top up. Now, does this one also?
It's got the bed.
Yep, yep. And look, it's not ripped.
Yeah, canvas is in pretty decent shape.
You know, it's a few little stains maybe, but it's not all ripped up. And there's a window there, but I'm not going to try to open it. That last time I tried to open one up, it kind of got stuck. But this folds over. You got upstairs. Okay, you got upstairs sleeping. Yeah, you could travel in this. Hey, just a little bit of a little bit of elbow grease. You get this thing going. And what are you asking for this again?
16.5.
Okay, he's asking 16.5. And like I said, I usually don't, but I'm going to ask him to start up the engine.
Yeah.
I usually don't do all that kind. I ask my people to. And this is, as he said, this is the air-cooled one. Go ahead. that air-cooled motor. Okay.
Let me, I just recently adjusted my throttle cable, so it's a bit too tight.
Okay, there's the water. There's where you plug in. You plug in an extension cord and you got 110. And then what is this key for?
City water hookup.
Okay, okay. Let's go back here. Okay, let's look at the, like I said, driver's side. And how many miles on this?
54,000, I think it says.
Well, it says 33,000.
33,000.
Okay.
It could be original, could have rolled over.
Okay.
You never know when it's.
Okay. Now you're selling this just because you're gonna. He's actually, and I'm gonna ask him if we can look at his other one, the one he's gonna keep. But there you go. 1981 Westfalia for sale. And what I usually do when I ask for the your information, I put it on my description instead of on the video. That way, if you sell it, I can edit it out, and people won't be calling you 6 months later. So I used to tell you watch these videos till the end, and I would have all the contact information on there, but it will be in the video description about this van. I'll have his contact information in. All right, it's Chuck, Glamping Van Adventures. I'm out of here.